Hello again, and yes, that's right. As many of you correctly guessed, the ECU we're going to be running in the car is the Haltech Nexus R5. Speaking of guesses, shout out to everyone appearing on the screen here. You got it right. Hopefully my hint helped you out a bit, otherwise, I'm sorry. I just made you think of the song Down Under for nothing. Anyway, the rest of this video is going to be quite short, since this ECU, or VCU as Haltech calls it, has been out for a few years already and is already very well documented on various channels. However, I'm just going to touch on a few points very quickly. So to quote Haltech themselves, the Nexus R5 is recommended for top tier racing applications, with multiple stage injectors per cylinder, power distribution management, dual wideband and dual drive-by-wire support. Now obviously this is not exactly a top tier car yet, and it might be a bit overkill, but it's important to make sure the V12 stays happy, starts on the turn, and is drivable. Besides, I'm only doing this once, so let's do it right from the start. Now for a list of generic specs. What we're most interested in, it has 18 injector outputs and 12 ignition outputs, meaning the big 5 litre V12 can run fully sequentially. It also has plenty of other cool features in addition to the ones I mentioned just now, like flat foot shift support, it's Wi-Fi enabled, it has traction control, flex fuel support, launch control, the list goes on. So to end off, if this is the type of project you like to see, then stay tuned for more. Here's a small preview of what's been happening behind the scenes, and this should hopefully be back in the workshop with us soon. So I'll see you then.